Good day, welcome to Multinet Design, the continuation of interior design that we have started. Like I've said, if this video benefits you, kindly click subscribe button and subscribe to our channel, and at the same time help us share, at the same time comment and like, so for a proper continuation of development for our daily basis of video production on YouTube. So here you have already gotten this space done, so you need to do a lot of little work so that you get everything accurately. So the position of your templates are more very crucial when you are doing interior, because those are the things that will bring out the visible condition of what you are doing for your clients, and that is how clients will represent you know the level of idea of what you get. So what we do here is the position of window according to what you are sent. So the window was sent, and let me just use this particular one. I think this one will be okay for you. Okay. So the height, I'm going to change that to normal height. So stay here. So do not bother, I'm doing interior, that's why you are seeing the thickness of the wall is bigger than the thickness of the window. This is an interior design. I always just create it because I don't want my part to be more bigger, so I reduce it to thickness. It's not the normal size of the block. So my focus is inside the building, not outside. So now I put the window here. So as I've done with this window, so all the other placement I need to do, I will go and search for my library on the Child Cosmos, whether they are available. So if I need any other thing, like this is a audience meeting table, that's not what I need. I need a center table. Did I have it? Coffee table will be okay for me. What is the height? How? So let me just use that, whether it's be suitable for what I'm doing here or not. So double click, it's already loading. Okay, I think if you put it here, it should do. So this will help you out in that aspect. So I'm looking for flower fast like this, because an elastic, so I'm putting some here. Are you getting it? So did I have every other thing I need to put, like mirror or like this? I need print art on the wall. I'm going to get one, click here, paste it on this wall. So press escape. So did I still need more? What I do next thing that I need, search around. So you'll be able to bring those things to bear. So if you need more of the chair like this, so if it's any other design you are doing, you need them. So bookshelf, chair, sofa, things like that. Okay, let me just use one to replace one, so that both of them will not just have the same pattern all through. You get what I'm saying? So I'm choosing this one now. So let it load. So I'm using it here. You can even use it here. Close that. So select this, delete it, select this, so you rotate it, so you move it. So if you look at it from your camera that you have there, click on the camera and see what you, so you have this one, and this is how your sitting room looks for now. So for now, that is how it is. So you continue putting more. So if you, the area you want to focus on is where you set your agenda on right away. So few other things that you need to put, you need to categorize them by them, but you need to check some height. Now look at it from here. So the cover table is accurate, whatever you are creating from there. So after you have done this file for a client to see, I'm not going to show I'm not going to show any rendering obligations of anything here. So what we want to do is that we want to commercialize all our revit activities, and by doing so we want to bring them to 2D extensive, so that you'll be able to present what you want to present to your client in a details that's mechanically accurate. So how do you do that? You select architecture, then you come to modify. Let's select dimension so that your people will know what you are doing. So for them to calculate the material and know the size of everything, so this is the dimension. So the first side dimension are more very interested and needed, so you take it like that. So the space that are being limited, you need to, because some walls are not permanently fixed, so you need to check them out like this one now. So this is out to out, so you need to be there as well. So you take out to out dimension and in to in dimension. The size of the dimension of the chair, the space programming of the rug, all those things need to put in consideration. So you need them in purposeful level, picking those and get those things right. So every other area you want to do, you can represent it graphically before you get the template to use in that aspect. Like this place now, you need to put something like TV stand. And how do you represent that? Just click on annotate and just give details line. So that will help you out. So just put it there. So everyone will know that this is a TV stand for you. And so for every other thing you are doing, it will represent a good way purpose. So that is TV stand for you here. So it's like a shelf and every other thing you want to do. So by the time you do this one, will ideally bring your creativity into great pattern. So as you have done with this one now, so you remove unwanted graphics. So if you have this one as a point of references, so what you need to do is that you can send this one to a client for him to see what we have done. The first thing to do is maybe you can cast shadow on this. You see, so the reflection will be more different, and everything you do, you have its own category of beauty. So if you get this done and sent to him and look at it in this way, that okay, this is it, and this is the professional presentation for anybody, that okay, this is the architectural design that we have done. This one will boost the attention of the clients and do something eligible that are reasonable, that okay, you are a professional rather than using hand to draw whatsoever you want to do. So practice Revit as a basic or for interior design is very important. So after you are done with this, you can come here and create your ceiling. I'm going to choose save. So you can come here at this point and say architecture, and you come and create ceiling. The function of ceiling will definitely help you later, and what I mean by later is that by the time you are drawing you are putting your lighting, when you want to render the whole interior visibility, this particular ceiling will definitely help you. So you increase the size to something like 2800, 850. So you let it take the full head height. So as you have done that, it's there already. So what you need to do is that you create section, click here and create the section to look section through. The section here is missing, they are not visible. All you need to do is to click on visibility and select it and say hide the category. So you click back and you see there. So from here you can say go to the view. Can you see? So this is the view of what you have created. So you can reduce the height of this, can reduce the size. At the same time, flip. If you are not interested with what you are seeing, you can flip this section so that you move back to this level. So what we created, that one gone down, so you can move it up. So this is the door, this is the window. Whatever you want to place, like a POP, other things can be created here if you want to. For now, this is what you have together to get here. So you look at it from this angle, you see that everything is still intact. So if you want to put your window blind, this is, you come here and create it. So that is how you do, and you follow the whole process from here. So in this, we have already established the architectural procedure, and in the next class we are going to give you more detail on something else. So